Hello, my name is Rachel and this is my channel, The Girl with the Pilates Mat, and a very warm welcome to our session today. So today is a continuation of a rehabilitation series that I'm running for a rotator cuff injury. Today we are doing stage 3 of our rehabilitation. I have a rotator cuff injury, so I am doing this rehabilitation in real time with you, which I hope will inspire you and also reassure you that it is possible to get back to full fitness. All right, so without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so this is stage 3, so very important. I just need to flag up that you must have done the stage 1 and stage 2 videos first so that your body is ready for what we're going to be doing today. So today we are going to be doing work where we're not assisting the movement, we're starting to work more on regaining our muscular strength. So first thing we're going to do, and I want you to be standing with this. Let's have those feet hip width apart. And we're going to do active flexion of the shoulder. So let your injured arm hang down. Try and have both arms by your side. And let's think of our posture. So drawing the abdominals in, standing nice and tall. You're going to have your palm facing towards your body. And with the injured arm, you're going to start to reach up. And you're going to go slowly, 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 as far as you can comfortably go. You might find it takes a few movements to be able to lift and then come down. Now, what we're looking for is not helping the movement in any way. So don't let these muscles kick in. Keep that shoulder nice and relaxed and just allow the arm to lift to wherever you feel comfortable going to. You do not want any pain. So don't work through pain, just work within a comfortable range. I've been finding that it takes a few to feel that I can go a little further. So please be your own best judge of what feels right for you. Lifting up and down. Lifting up and down. Good. Lifting up and down. You're going to aim for about 10. So I think I'll do 2 more. See where I can get to. So I'm not feeling any pain. I just feel a little bit of restriction when I get a little higher. And then last one. And down. Okay. So now we're going to move on to another range of movement. So this will be our active abduction. Okay, so same thing, injured arm. We are going to turn the palm to face forward. And now keeping that shoulder down, we're going to bring the arm out to the side as far as it will go without any pain, without your shoulder lifting, and bring it down. Lifting up and bring it down. Up and down. Lift and lower. Let's do 5 more. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. And bring it all the way down. Okay, next range of motion is going to be an active external rotation of the shoulder. So injured arm, you're going to bend at the elbow. Okay, and then we're going to have that palm facing inwards, and we're going to keep the elbow by the side, and we're just going to rotate out as far as that shoulder is able to go and bring it back. And again, let's do 10. So we're keeping the shoulder down, keeping the ribs in, and trying to isolate the movement to within the shoulder, which is where the injury is. And again, don't go into pain, just think of getting everything moving. You're also trying to not to let your body turn. I'm actually looking in a mirror to make sure I'm not letting my body go with the arm, right? Because we want to really work the shoulder. I'm going to do 5 more. So we're going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then bring the arm down. Let's roll the shoulders up, back, and round. Up, back, and round. Up, back, and round, and up, back, and round. Okay, so we're going to stand tall, and now we're going to repeat, starting from the beginning. All right, so we're lifting up. Going up, 4, 1. And slowly down. 2. And down. 3. And down. 4. And down. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10, and then bring it down. Remember, keep it controlled, keep it slow, all right, because then you can really focus on what's feeling okay for you. All right, so now we're going to turn that palm forward for the abduction. So here we go. Going up as far as you can, keeping that shoulder down. This is number 1. And 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. And 10. And slowly down. Well done. I'm sure you're feeling it. I can feel that area is getting quite tired. I can feel the work. So just to reassure you, if you're feeling it too, that's absolutely fine. All right, let's bend at the elbow. Palm facing in, keeping the elbow by the side, keeping your posture nice and organized. And let's open out for 1 and bring it back. 2. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and bring the arm down. Let's bring the shoulders up, back and round. Up, back and round. Up, back and round. Now I'm going to add a little stretch. I want you to tilt your head away from the injured shoulder. Little tilt. And bring it up. And then towards it. And back up. Tilt the head away. And up. And towards. And up. And once more away. And towards the shoulder. Well done. And there we go. That is your session for today. So that was your stage 3 exercises. Let's try and do these at least 3 times a day, and you will really start to notice your recovery progressing. Now remember, this is a key stage in your recovery. You will be feeling a lot better by now, but remember your body is still injured, and with these kind of injuries they can take anywhere from 6 weeks to a few months to sometimes even longer to fully feel recovered. So please be patient with yourself. Don't take any risks, just keep doing the rehab work. Keep repeating these movements, and then the next time I see you, we'll be moving on to stage 4, which is where I'm going to do a Pilates class with you and show you the ways you can strengthen your shoulder, but also protect it to get yourself back into class. All right, so take care of yourselves. Don't forget, please press the like button. Please do subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. If you'd like to support me and this channel, then you can buy me a virtual cup of coffee on Ko-fi. See all the details down below in the description box.